Hello everybody and welcome back. Let's start by assembly first. This part was printed vertically, that's why we need to use drill bits to have perfect round holes. If you want the cover to maintain its position when opened, use 1mm drill bit. But if you want it to fall down instead, use 1.2mm drill bit. The super glue works very well with PzGr plastic. Before the glue dries, I always double check if everything fits properly. I proceed on gluing other parts the same way. Here is the result. I have used a paper clip and a needle file to cut 2 axles for the top cover. I glue only outer sides of the box. Make sure to not glue the ammo crate cover itself. I'm doing a final test fit and the assembly step is considered finished. Before starting painting, we need to do some post-processing job. I'm removing some printing blobs, ironing excess, printing seam lines, bridging overhangs, and other found 3D printed issues. Also, a rougher surface will help us on further post-processing steps. We are going to do the same treatment for the ammunition. Be careful to not damage tiny details. Now I'm going to smooth out print lines using the UV resin. For this step you will need a UV resin, a UV lamp, a 300 grit sandpaper, paper towels and isopropanol alcohol for cleaning. When you use the UV resin, try to cover the part with small thin coats. In this way you are preserving the part original shape and details. Especially be careful near part edges, as resin tends to accumulate here more. Then parts should be processed with a 300 grit sandpaper. It will help with paint adhesion to the surface. This way the required resin amount stays between layers and all the excess is sanded out. For this type of projectile the general approach is the same. As far as my 3D printer is not very good at cooling, I will show you how to fix bent tips. You can also do this trick with a hairdryer. Here is the smoothing result. Also, you can see the difference with an untreated part. Now I will do the same treatment for the ammo crate. I'm trying to fill out gaps and at the same time to keep details. A few thin layers are always better than one thick. Internal parts also require some treatment. Now I'm using a needle file to add some scratches, some wood marks. Those details will be better visible after painting process. Also, you can use various scribbles for such application. I choose the most exposed areas where in real life this object could be damaged. Here you can see the post-processing result, and now we are ready for painting. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, please click the like button and subscribe.